أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما، اللهم فقهنا في الدين، آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn these 4 ayahs of Surah Yasin. Inshallah I'm going to recite it first. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون. فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون. إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون. هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون. Alhamdulillah, barakallah feekum. So now inshallah let's look into tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Ayah number 53. إن كانت إلا. Okay, Noon Sakin is followed by letter Kaf. Here we'll have to do Ikhfa. Okay, hiding the Noon Sakin in 2 count nasalization. 2 count Gunna is done. In kanat, just like you say ink in English. Okay, in kanat. Kaf for 2 count inshallah due to the Salif Madiyah. Ta with hums, the continuation of the breath. In kanat. Okay, not so much but a little at least. In kanat illa. This lam has tajdeed, so emphasize it and then stretch it for 2 count due to the Salif Madiyah. Illa, not ila. Illa, put a force on it, put a stress on it. إن كانت إلا صيحة. It is not a صيحة. Many sisters are pronouncing yalin like a, like عليكم, عليهم, طيرا. In this way you should not say a. Okay, it should be I. صيحة. Soy, and Sod must be heavy here because Sod is huruf al musta'aliya, right? Heavy letter. So first you say so, then soy. So soy. It will be easy for you to apply this ruling. Soy hatan. Ha very sharp. Tanween followed by wow. So do idgham ma'al ghunna. How to do idgham with ghunna? Soyhatan wa. Okay. صيحة واحدة. واو for 2 حركة. Ha very sharp. واحدة. Tanween followed by fa. Do ikhfa here. 2 count غنة. واحدة فإذا. Okay. إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا. Zal with no whistling sound or no buzzing sound. It should not sound فإذا. Iza is wrong. Okay. فإذا. The tip of the tongue should touch the edges of your upper front teeth. فإذا هم. No gunna on meme because the next letter is Jim. The gunna on meme is done only in 2 cases, when it has meme after it or when it has ba after it. No meme, no ba, any other Arabic alphabets, then just do izhar. Izhar shifawi. Hum jami'un. hum, not hum. Okay. فإذا هم جميع جميع to count. Ain must be clear, it has tanween, but this tanween which has nun sakin in it will not be read. Why? Because the next letter is lam. When it has lam or ra, then no gunna, no nun sakin or tanween is recited. We won't say jami'un ladayna, instead jami'ul ladayna. Ul, directly lam. Okay. فإذا هم جميع لدينا جميع لدينا I kind of sound, not ladena. Ladena is wrong. Many sisters, especially in WhatsApp group, are sending recordings with this kind of mistake, pronouncing yalin like A. A is wrong. I. Okay. جميع لدينا. Known for 2 count. محضرون. Very sharp. محضر. From the sides of your tongue, and also it must be very heavy. There are many lazim properties, the permanent sifat of this letter ضاد. استطالة, استعالة, إطباق. Okay, many rulings where you have to make it very heavy. محضر. محضرون. The letter ra here is also heavy. Okay. جميع لدينا محضرون. You can stretch this waw maddiya for either 2 haraka, 4 or 6 haraka according to the ruling of maddul arid lissukun inshallah. إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون. Next ayah. فاليوم لا تظلم. فاليوم. This fa is connected to lam here. There is alif, actually it is not alif maddiya, it is actually hamzatul wasl. Okay, of the word al-yawma. Al-yawma, the hamzatul wasl is attached to this fa. Don't read it because we don't read hamzatul wasl while doing wasl. Fal-yawma, not yawma. We say usually like yawmul jum'ah, to the day of Friday. It is not yawm. Okay, not yawmul arafa. It is yawma, yawma, aw kind of sound. Okay, fal-yawma. Yawma. La. 2 haraka, it is compulsory. If you make it 1, you're changing the meaning of this full ayah completely. Okay. فَالْيَوْمَ لَا تُظْلَمُ. This dha and this letter zal here. Can you see this dha? This zal here has the same makhraj. The articulation point is same. What is it? The tip of the tongue will touch the corners of your upper incisor teeth, these edges. Okay, zal, dha. This is dhazizu. This is dhalizu. The difference is this is light, zal is light, dha is heavy. So don't make any buzzing sound in this letter dha now. It is not tuzlamu. It is tuzlamu. Tuzlamu. Okay, lamu. تظلم نفس. This sin has tanween followed by sheen, therefore ikhfa is done with 2 count. غنى نفس شيئا. نفس شيئا. 2 count غنى, nasalization. Okay, نفس شيئا, not شيئا. It is not شيئا, it is شيئا. Okay. And this tanween is followed by waw. Do idgham with gunna. How to do that? Shay'an wa. That sound should be there in nasal cavity for 2 haraka. Shay'an wa, not shay'awa. Awwa is wrong. Awwa, nasalization. Okay. Shay'an wala. Lam for 2 count inshallah. Tujzauna. Jeem with a qalqala. Tujzauna. Aw kind of sound. Wala tujzauna illa. illa, not ila. It is illa with tajdeed on it. ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون. ما to count. كنتم, not kuntum. You have to do gunna, but by hiding noon. You should not show it clearly. You should not say kun. Instead, kun. Okay, hiding it. Ma kuntum. No gunna on meme. Next letter is ta. ما كنتم تعملون. Ain must be clear. If you say تعملون, the meaning of the word will completely change. It is تعملون. With the waw stretching for 2, 4 or 6 haraka by applying the ruling of madul arid lissukun. Let's recite this. فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون. Okay, next ayah. إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم إن نون مشدد. You can see this tajdeed here. Emphasize it. I mean, do 2 haraka gunna, and this gunna here is compulsory because neen has tajdeed. The noon has tajdeed there. 2 count gunna. Inna. Okay, if you make it 1 haraka like inna ashaba, then there is no problem. You're doing lehen al jali, sorry, lehen al khafi. Okay, the hidden mistake, but still that is a mistake, right? Better you do it for 2 count. That will beautify your recitation. For example, if I just say inna ashab al jannati, and if I say inna ashab al jannati al yawm, we're giving exact time duration for gunna. The sound will be, I mean, the beautification of the Quran is so good there, right? Quran recitation should be beautified. So therefore, kindly do the gunna for exact timing. Wherever there is requirement of 2 haraka gunna, do it for 2 count. This will beautify your recitation. Inna ashaba, not us. It is not us. It is us. 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 Can you see the difference? The whistling sound is also a bit different. The seen is very sharp. The sword is little less sharper than the seen. And also seen sounds very light and sword will sound bit heavier. I'm going to repeat both the things again just to see the difference. Us, 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 us. Okay, there is a difference, right? The sword sounds bit heavier, and you have to keep that heaviness, or else this sword will convert to seen and the word will become meaningless. It is ashaba, and also don't make this hamza heavy. This is a common mistake which students do. When there is a heavy letter, they will make the letter before it or after it also heavy. Don't do that. If it is light, you have to pronounce it lightly. It is not os, o is wrong. Ashaba, ashaba, ha very sharp for 2 count inshallah. Ashaba, ba is connected to this lam. Can you see the lam is here? Jim is below it. Ashabal jannati, noon mushaddad again, do 2 haraka gunna. Jannatil yawma, ta is connected to lam. Ashabal jannatil yawma, not yoma. Again, make sure to pronounce aw. Vowelin should sound aw, yalin should sound I. Jannatil yawma fi shughulin, fi 2 count. Shughulin, ghain should not sound like a ga. Okay, the ga sound should not be there in the Arabic alphabets because there is nothing like g sound in Arabic. It is gha. How to pronounce this gha? From the place where you recite kha from. This kha with a dot on its head, kha, kha. From where do you pronounce this kha? from the top portion of your throat, right? Exactly from that place you'll have to pronounce the ghain with one difference. What is that? For this kha, you have to include your breath. The air should be included. That is why it sounds like you're scratching your throat. This kind of sound is only produced when you include your air or a breath in it. But if you don't include any air and pronounce from that particular articulation point, then this will sound like gha, kha, gha, kha, gha. Practice it from the same articulation point if you're finding it difficult to pronounce ghain, because many sisters are pronouncing this ghain like a ga. Shugulin is wrong. It is not shugu, it is shugu. Okay, you have to practice this well, inshallah, today. Tomorrow while reciting I should not see any mistake in ghain. Okay, if you are not improving, then it is like waste, right? Kindly focus on the makhraj of the letters. Fi shugulin. Shugulin. Ghain is a heavy letter, make it heavy. Fi shugulin. Tanween followed by fa. Ikhfa is done. 2 haraka gunna. في شغل فاكهون. fa, to count due to this standing fatha, alif saghira, and this ha with the waw maddiya on it will be stretched for either 2, 4 or 6 haraka, inshallah. إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون هم وأزواجهم. Hum, no gunna, because next letter is waw. It's very easy ruling for mim sakin, that if it has mim or ba after it, only then you have to do gunna. Now there is no mim, no ba. Any other Arabic alphabet, no gunna. Hum wa azwajuhum. This za should have a buzzing sound, which should be exactly a buzzing sound. It should not be a mixture of buzzing and whistling sound like wa as. See here, what we are doing is we are doing hums in this letter. If you keep the palm or your hand near your lips, the air or your breath should not strike your palm. If it is striking, you're actually doing hums in it, like az, which has the mixture of sounds za and sa sound. You have to just make a buzzing sound with no hums. This is the letter of jahar. Wa az, not wa az. za and sa sound is mixing here, right? This is wrong. No mixture of two sounds, only buzzing sound. Wa azwajuhum. These are the minor mistakes, especially those students who are reciting Quran nicely, correctly, are making this kind of minor mistakes. Don't ignore it. If you want to recite it perfectly, then you have to follow this, inshallah. Wa azwajuhum. Okay. Wa azwajuhum. No gunna on mim again, because next letter is not mim, or also it is not ba, right? It is fa, so no gunna. Wa azwajuhum fi, to count. Wilalin. Again the same dha which we read here now. Dha, no whistling or buzzing sound. Dha, vu, vi. Heaviness. Tip of the tongue should touch the corners or edges of your upper front teeth. Dha, vu, vi, vi. It should not sound as z. Z is this. Zal with kasra. Now we have to recite dha with kasra. So there should be at least a little difference between this zal and dha, or else it will convert to zal, right? It is not a zilalin, it is zilalin. Zilalin, zilalin. There is a difference. Zilalin, zilalin. Heaviness must be there. Fi zilalin. No gunna on lam. I mean the tanween, because the next letter is ayn. This is izhar, the ruling of izhar. Fi zilalin ala. Ala. Lam should not be stretched for 2 haraka now, because we are applying the ruling of iltaqa sakinain due to this alif hamzatul wasl. There is no standing fatha on this, okay? But if you want to stop here, you have to make it 2 haraka, like hum wa azwajuhum fi zilalin ala. But while continuation, في ظلال على الأرائك. alal directly, and there is nothing to worry because you are not finding any standing fatha here, so just consider this fatha and recite it for one count. Alal araiki, connect lam to this lam. Araiki, hamza must be clear, which is here, right? This is hamza fatha. Alal ra is heavy, madal wajib muttasil, because hamza is in the same word. This mad is due to hamza that is in the same word. Mandatory mad wajib muttasil for 4 haraka minimum. Alal araiki muttaki'un. Emphasize it. It is not muttaki. Muttaki'un. Hamza for 2, 4 or 6 count by applying the ruling of madul arid lissukun, inshallah. هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون. Okay, we have completed learning the tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Now inshallah, let's recite these, okay? Make sure not to make any mistakes in the makhraj of the letter. That is very important. Inshallah, let's begin now. I'm going to turn your mics on. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة. إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم Okay, this is not wahidatan, it is not wahidatan, it is wahidatan. إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون. فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون. This ha is very sharp. Kindly unmute your mics. One second. Mute your mic, sisters, if there is any disturbance in background. Okay. Ha is very sharp and dad is heavy. Muhda. فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون. فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا. فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس
Okay, you have to do gunna here and also here. فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا
ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون
ولا تجزون إلا
ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون
ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون
أصحاب الجنة اليوم
في شغل فاكهون في شغل فاكهون هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
Okay. Don't make a whistling sound in this letter za. Okay, repeat this again. هم وأزواجهم. Okay, it is not وأز. Seen sound should not be there. هم وأزواجهم. Okay, few sisters are reciting it correctly, but in few sisters sound it is sounding like seen. You have to practice it. Okay. هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم
كانت إلا صيحة واحدة
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا لدينا محضرون
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون
إن كانت صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون
فاليوم لا تظلمون شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون
أصحاب الجنة اليوم في
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك
Okay, Alhamdulillah, Barakallahu feekum. You all recited it very well, mashallah. So if you have any doubts in these ayahs, you can ask me. Unmute your mics and ask doubts if you have any. The meeting. Ji wa iyaki khair. So let's end the meeting. If you have any doubts, contact me privately, okay? Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.